Hello students, welcome to lynxE. In this video, we are going to learn working on bridge rectifier, right? So bridge rectifier is another type of a full wave rectifier. Again, we will be getting a full rectified output here also. So let's check what has changed. As you know, rectifiers are nothing but application of diodes. So there are 4 diodes here, D1, D2, D3, D4 connected in this fashion. So let's check in positive cycle what happens, how it works. So in positive cycle, your A will be positive, your B will be negative, right? So I can say A is positive with respect to B. So as A is positive, your diode 1 and diode 3, diode 1 and diode 3, because the voltage will be across diode 1 and diode 3, your diode 1 and diode 3 will be forward bias, and this both will be coming as reverse bias. Let's check how it works. So as this 2 will be reverse bias, this and this will be getting shorted, this 2 will be reverse bias. See, remember, if this 2 are reverse bias, so this is not working, this is not working, your current will be flowing in this manner, so this manner, and it will reach to P. So in this way your current will be flowing. So I can say here diode 1 and diode 3 will be forward bias, diode 2 and diode 4 will be reverse bias. That's great. So due to which you will be getting a rectified output from 0 to pi, right? Great. Now let's check what happens in negative cycle. In negative cycle, what will happen? This will become negative and your B becomes positive, right? So I can say in this way, A is negative with respect to B, right? Or else B is positive, I can say. So due to that, as B is positive, that means what? Your diode 2 will start working now, and the current will be passing through diode 4 also. So diode 2 and diode 4 will be forward bias, and diode 3 and diode 1 will be reverse bias. So how current will be flowing? See, check, understand something. I'll mark it. Just give me a minute, please. So now current will be flowing in this manner. So diode 2 and diode 4 will be forward bias. Sorry for that. And diode 1 and diode 3 will be reverse bias, due to which we will be getting again a rectified output from pi to 2 pi. So this will continue. That's great. Hope you're clear with this. And in this way, I complete rectification topic and also working of bridge wave rectifier. Thanks for watching my video.
To know more, sign up to www.lynxE.in.